Howdy. What's up, guys? This is Reaper Boy TV here, and today it's gonna be a little vlog, you know, having dead content. But today we're supposed to be working on the bike, so yeah, let's get it on, I guess. Alright, I'll be right back. I'm gonna help Devin with his motorcycle. Yeah, I know it's supposed to rain. It's pretty dark as it is now. Yeah, we're supposed to be getting a little bit of rain. It's probably him right now. Oh, this way. Well, I'm already walking up here, so oh well. And there's some of my freaking boot and doesn't feel too good. Jesus Christ, man. Yeah, I'm gonna let y'all know. Well, I'll about catch y'all when we get up there. Stay tuned. I don't know why, but yeah, there it is. It's all smudged up for some reason.
Smudged?
Yeah, like it literally, my whole lens is smudged up.
What do you think?
It needs just a little bit of black to it.
Yeah.
At least the bars.
Yeah, we may paint them black. They'll probably turn black anyway.
Yeah. The next 5 years probably.
I made all the engine black, left that black, made all the control brackets black, all the light brackets are black, battery's black as usual.
It's gonna be a lot of tidying up. It's a lot of tidying up to do.
Yeah, but this turned out awesome, didn't it?
Yeah. Once you get everything clipped and shaped down.
Oh yeah.
Hold on, I'm running out. No, nothing. Just a key. Yeah.
It popped the chain.
Yeah, I thought it did because it was spinning just by itself. And it sounded like that idle was pretty high too. What gear you have it in?
It's supposed to be in first. Damn, that's hard.
Why don't you just jack it up and just let it run?
Yeah.
I think that'd be the best bet. Yeah, what's the odds of this freaking thing running? It's hard to get to the choke at night. I'm not gonna lie. What's the odds? I'm just curious. I'm gonna laugh at it after you run. a good recoil. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for tonight, pretty much, because I didn't go there till 5, it's now 6, so I'm gonna have to come home. But yeah, we got it running. You see there I was doing a clutch and stuff. The clutch what I started on yesterday for them. So yeah, I got the linkages and stuff like that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If y'all want to see some more videos, just drop it in the comments, I'll look at them. Some stuff y'all want to see, if y'all want to do some updates or anything, just let me know. Gaming videos, stuff like that, you know. Cause I need plans. I really need plans. Please help me. Oh yeah, and I forgot to say my phone actually died. That's why I didn't get it running, but it runs. I don't know if I already said it. I gotta look back in the video. But yeah, it runs, but it doesn't run too long. We think since that card was pretty trashed out, he thinks it's the jet because he did pretty much what I did, because my carb, how I built my frame was a little too small for the engine, so I had to delete the factory carburetor gas tank setup because the carburetor was made in the gas tank. So I used a Predator 212 modded 212 carburetor for mine, and that's pretty much the secret of how I got to shoot flames and stuff like that, and bang and pop and get all rowdy like that. But yeah, that's pretty much the story of what pretty much happened when my phone died. Well, at least I got most footage. That's better than nothing. But yeah, guys, that's all for today, and I'll see y'all on the flip side.